Welcome. Today we will look at how we can use some and any grammatically in front of a noun in a sentence. If a person has a selfish sister who hates giving gifts to any person, will he say, "My sister never gives me any gifts," or will he say, "My sister never gives me some gifts"? If you are unsure which one is correct, you may watch on to find out more. In negative sentences, that is the sentences containing the word not or those expressing disagreement or absence of something, we use any to express the meaning of it all. Let's see two examples. Without any further delay, let's begin. We have never received any letters from her. In positive sentences, that is, the opposite of the negative sentences, we use any to mean we don't care which one. For example, we say, "You can do it in any way you like. We only need results." Any desserts can make her happy. Now, let's look at how some is used in front of nouns. We use some in positive sentences to mean an inexact quantity of something. Some is usually followed by singular uncountable nouns or plural countable nouns in a positive sentence. Let's see two examples. We have planted some apple trees in our garden. Notice the plural countable noun tree in this sentence. We cannot deny that money can somehow provide some comfort. In this sentence, comfort is an uncountable noun. In conclusion, we use any in negative sentences to mean at all and any in positive sentences to mean we don't care which one. We use some in positive sentences to mean an inexact quantity. That's it for today. If you are interested in learning some more grammar rules concerning some and any, you may check out my other videos. Thank you and see you next time.